Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Opera. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Opera, click on the three bars at the top right and go to the browser settings at the bottom. Here I stay with the Basic tab, scroll down and open the Advanced settings. And now I have to go all the way to the end of the settings until I get to System. Under System, I can now turn off hardware acceleration by clicking this slider. If I have disabled hardware acceleration, I have to restart Opera once by clicking the button. And after a restart, hardware acceleration is now turned off. But let's take another quick look at this. As we can see, it worked fine. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.